Hey guys, hope you've been having a good day. So just a little intro video to today's lesson. It's going to be on the equation F equals ma. So once you finish with this video, please open up this lesson on Google Classroom. So just to walk you through it, to start off with, there's a starter activity that refers to yesterday's lesson, so please complete that. So the lesson is about the force equation, and the idea behind this is that there are two things that influence how much force an object has. So the force that an object has is equal to how much mass it has multiplied by what acceleration it has. So we can summarize this into F for force, and that's net force. So you balance out the forward going force versus the backwards going force, or if you're comparing up and down forces, the vertical forces, net force there. So F equals m for mass times acceleration. Now, in physics, we often don't write the multiplication symbol, so you could just have two letters next to each other like that, and that means that they multiply each other. So F equals ma. Now, the units for force, as mentioned yesterday, are newtons. The units for mass in this equation is going to be kilograms, and the units for acceleration, as we've learned before, is meters per second squared. So those units are the standard units for this equation. They have to work in these units in order for the equation to work. So have a go at doing this example, and if you need to rearrange the equation, F equals ma, it fits into a triangle like this. So if you cover up the acceleration, it's F divided by m, gives you the acceleration. And if you want to work out the mass, you cover the mass, and it's F divided by a. So another example for you to work through where you have to rearrange the equation, and a third example there for you to work through. I'll leave you to do that yourselves. Once you're done with that, please click on this force simulator to help you visualize net forces and how acceleration plays into it. And once you finish that, please do these past paper questions that I've cut and pasted into this slide. So you get the questions, and then you get the exemplar answers, and the mark scheme tells you how to get achieved merit and excellence. So this is full disclosure here. So have a go at the questions before looking at the mark scheme, and then once you finish that, then there's some questions for you to do in the textbook. All right, guys. See you next week.